મગજમાં બીજું બધું આવે તો યુ કેન પ્રિપેર યોરસેલ્ફ ધેટ વે.
અને કાલે પેલું ઈઆર વાળો તો એમાં ગેસ્ચર થી સ્ટાર્ટ થતો તો મતલબ હજી હેન્ડ નો રોલ તો ચાલુ જ છે.
હા
એટલે કે આમ
એટલે મારી
ટેકનોલોજી ચાલુ થાય તો
મારી એ જ આર્ગ્યુમેન્ટ છે. મારો પ્રશ્ન એ હતો આ બધું બધા પછી આપણે બધું આટલું 4 દિવસ કર્યું એમાં મેન્યુફેક્ચરિંગ પ્રોસેસમાં મેન્યુફેક્ચરિંગ તો થાય છે તો પછી હવે આનો વર્ક બદલવો ના જોઈએ આપણે. તો મારી આર્ગ્યુમેન્ટ છે કે ના કન્ટિન્યુ કરી શકાય, બદલવાની હાલ જરૂર નથી. તો પછી એના પર આગળ અત્યારે બદલવાનું. ઓકે સેમ વે that whole second classification. Okay, so when I was studying at that time small book was there, classification हमारा शायद बहुत लगता था. Yeah, लेट मशीन वाली चीज़ या मशीनिंग प्रोसेस, forming process, casting process, सारे के casting classification चाहिए. This time it was classified process. कोई पण classify करते तो machining, then casting and forming, then sub-classification comes. Then around 1918, this unconventional or say non-conventional or non-traditional, this kind of the processes we start to learn and we start to practicing. એટલે પછી આપણો નજરિયો બદલાય, our dimensions change and we start to classify this way: conventional, non-conventional, traditional, non-traditional, something like that. Okay, fine. Later on, when we focus on this economic aspect, then people have started to classify in this way the primary processes. Technical industry જેવી કે ટાટા સ્ટીલ છે કે ખાલી સ્ટીલ રોડ જ બનાવે, રો મટીરિયલ્સ બનાવતી. એટલે એ લોકોને ત્યાં પછી આમાં બેસિકલી પ્રોબ્લેમ શું છે? when we classify something that we do with respect to the exploration what we want to do, right? So for example, some company doing the survey for some shoes, like in UK, what kind of the sizes they want to make a class, different class, like 9 number UK na જે છે હંમેશા નંબર મોટા એની સાઇઝ મોટી હોય છે. Okay, so there they can classify in this manner. Instead of that, suppose some company making the wing scale and they want to design the wing scale, then at that time the collection of data and the classification will not be the number of size of the foot. That was at that time the criteria for classification will change, and that criteria will be like the weight of the people. Similarly, here people find the complexity, so they have started this primary, secondary, tertiary classification with this kind of things. Then later on, day by day, as we use the hard material and alloys and this thing, then they found, oh, this non-conventional are also not economical. So we have developed other processes and we call it advanced manufacturing processes. Now the word is again comes this, and there is no sharp definition or anything regarding the advanced manufacturing. Which process I can call advanced? What logic we can use as a faculty when you are teaching to your student or research under you who is working for, right? So how we can explain that? Okay, suppose I say turning process is advanced manufacturing process. If I say edit this FDP to the deposition method or 3D printing, none advanced now. Very quick we can say. So what logic is going in our mind, or what we want to convey? When I say advanced, means what?
New, upcoming.
No, it is already come. It is already market.
Recent technology.
Yes, recent, but recent remain recent up to what extent? Unless until other generation is not coming. Or still sometime other generation is there in this also. I can show it, sir. Jain sir જ્યારે એમનું પોતાનું yesterday he has shown that friction star additive manufacturing. still it is not so much commercialized. That is at very initial stage. That is there, so that is advanced manufacturing process. But still, this abrasive flow machining